For the past couple days, I've been immersing myself in VidSummit and marinating in all this new information. What it means to be a creator, the things that matter and the things that don't. And I wanted to share some of those thoughts with you. On my way to the event, I thought it was going to be a series of lectures on how to hack the YouTube algorithm, finding out that one secret trick that big YouTubers don't want you to know. But I got more than what I bargained for. I learned that a channel in the most basic sense is a representation of who you are or what your brand entails. And each piece of content should be representative of what you stand for as a person or a brand. You not only have to keep in mind how what you're making is valuable to others, you also have to keep in mind how it's valuable to yourself. Telling a good story is fine and all, but for others to believe in your message, you would have to believe in it first. After digging at the roots of why I make video, I've realized that I like to make people happy. Whether it is through a vlog or a tutorial, if I put a smile on your face, you've basically made my day. As creators, we often base our self-worth by numbers, and it's basically impossible to avoid. A lot of beginners focus on analytics, and it's natural, I do it too. And it's because creating video is a form of artistic expression and communication. And with any art form, you would want an audience to consume it. Without that, who are you talking to? But what I learned from talking to Roberto Blake is that you can't control who sees your content. You can't tell 5 people to look at your stuff, just like you can't choose to have 500 people look at your stuff. But what you can do is keep making videos, keep improving and honing your craft. Mumford & Sons started playing in front of 20 people crowds, and when they graduated to 1 million people in their audience, it's not like anything changed. They were still playing the same song. But what they did do is to keep putting it in front of people. Jack Conte explained this in one of the keynotes, and he explained how everything is like a funnel. You can only control what you put at the top of the funnel. So if you make great stuff, a lot of stuff, at some point something is going to stick. The difference between someone that makes it and someone that doesn't is just pure persistence. I named this channel the Filmmaker's Formula because coming from an engineering background, I've always wanted to find the formula to solving problems. Engineering, though, is very linear. The creative process, on the other hand, is not. I've always admired the people that could tell a good story through video. And growing up, I would always try to imitate what I saw in the movies in an effort to create better stuff. There might not be an answer to what it means to create great videos, but the videos on this channel is me showing my work while deriving a formula to what great content means to me. In simpler terms, finding my style and voice. Going back to the funnel, because there's a lot of stuff on top of the funnel, a lot of your creative work is going to suck, but that can't stop you from hitting publish. Because without having your work pass through the funnel, you won't ever see what comes out the other side, which means you would have to deal with it and take the feedback head on, no matter good or bad. In the past week, I've met speakers and attendees with 1 to 2 million views. I've also met people with 100 to 200 views. But I learned that they are all just people. Like Cody likes to say, there are no small creators. Just because someone has a larger following than you doesn't mean you don't deserve the same love and respect. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm looking forward to sharing more stuff with you. I'd love to know where you are in your journey and where you want to be. Leave a comment in the section below. And if you have the opportunity to go to VidSummit next year, I hope to see you there. Until the next video, I'll see you later.